Let's be honest, most of the time, software updates don't exactly get us excited. Usually, it's some bug fixes, maybe a new icon, and that's it. But Samsung's One UI 8.5 is different. This one actually feels like it solves real problems we all face every single day. Think about it. You're on a video call, having a good time, and suddenly your Wi-Fi decides to betray you. Your voice cuts out, your face freezes mid-blink, and the person on the other end is left staring at a pixelated mess. Or maybe you're walking out of your house with your earbuds in, listening to music, and the second you hit the driveway, silence. Why? Because your phone is desperately clinging to your weak home Wi-Fi instead of just switching to mobile data. It's frustrating, and it happens to everyone. But this is where One UI 8.5 comes in to save the day. The highlight feature is something called Switch to Mobile Data with AI. The name sounds complicated, but really, it's just common sense baked into your phone. If your Wi-Fi is strong, it stays. If it's weak, your phone immediately switches to mobile data. No delays, no spinning wheels, no you frantically opening settings to fix it. And then there's Intelligent Network Switch, which is even cooler. Your Galaxy actually learns your routine. Let's say you walk the same path from work to the subway every day. Your phone knows exactly where the Wi-Fi usually drops out, and it switches you over to data before the problem even hits. It's like your phone finally got a little bit of foresight. For me, this is one of those features you don't think you need until you use it. Then you wonder how you ever lived without it. But it's not just about connectivity. Samsung also gave One UI a serious glow-up. The notification panel is now customizable in ways I didn't think were possible. Want it minimal? Strip it down to just the essentials. Want it packed? Load it up with every slider and toggle you can imagine. You can even make the music widget giant, basically turning it into a mini player. And the animations? Gorgeous. Swipe away a notification and it doesn't just disappear, it bounces away with this elastic motion, complete with a little haptic buzz. The whole system now has a frosted glass blur effect that feels premium but still easy to read. The settings menu also got a makeover. Headings are gone, the search bar moved to the bottom where your thumb naturally rests, and there's a floating back button that only appears when you need it. It's subtle, but it makes navigating feel lighter and smoother. Samsung also tackled all those little annoyances that pile up over time. Wallpapers now auto-adjust so the clock doesn't cover the best part of your photo. The Gallery app shows live previews instead of boring text labels. The weather widget updates in real time, so if it's raining, you'll see it right there on your screen. And the camera upgrades are legit. In Pro Video mode, you can now apply cinematic looks instantly with built-in LUTs, blockbuster, romance, thriller, you name it. It's like having movie-style filters baked right into your camera. Here's something you probably didn't expect: better battery life. Holding onto weak Wi-Fi drains your phone faster than you think. By switching intelligently to stronger connections, your phone actually saves power while keeping things smooth. Now, I get it, some people don't love the idea of AI making choices for them. In fact, polls show it's almost a 50-50 split. But here's the thing, once you let the phone do it for you, you'll probably never go back. It just makes life easier. So when can you try this out? One UI 8.5 will debut with the Galaxy S26 series, but Samsung's already testing it on the S25 and even the S24 lineup. And thanks to Samsung's update promise, phones as far back as the S22, recent folds and flips, and even A-series devices are all in line to get it. At the end of the day, One UI 8.5 isn't about flashy gimmicks. It's about fixing those small but painful daily struggles, dropped calls, frozen video chats, weak signals, cluttered menus, and making your phone feel smarter and smoother in ways you'll notice every day. It's the kind of update that feels less like software and more like your phone just learned how to take care of you. So, what do you think? Would you trust your phone to make these decisions for you, or do you still prefer total manual control? Drop your answer in the comments, I'd love to hear your take. And don't forget to hit subscribe, because One UI 8.5 is just the beginning of Samsung's big push towards smarter, more human-friendly phones. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.